Hey, I'm Jamie Patel, and I'm the art lead for Miss Claire's afternoon class. The warm feeling of unity amongst us parents here, the staff, our children, and a culturally diverse school inspired this artwork into a beautifully handcrafted unity circle embracing this opaque world that we live in of 7 continents using a seamless multicolor thread, acrylic paints, and glues on foam boards and plexiglass, creating this faux stained glass effect that's workable for our little fingers to work their magic. The look was first created by cutting an oval onto plexiglass. After I sprayed a protectant base coating of acrylic spray, the 7 continents were traced onto the glass using a mixture of black acrylic paint with the white Elmer's glue. The black outlines mimic the iron inlays of a stained glass art piece. After the outline dried, each little bitty artist painted a continent using their choice of their acrylic color mixed with a clear Elmer's glue. This way it makes it opaque. The ocean and fish were painted in the same manner. The stained glass was then mounted onto an oval cut foam board, and then I also framed it with an oval cut matte board. The little tedious pattern of tacking the pins into the matte board was strategically placed by me just so that the children wouldn't get poked by the pins. Each of the 6 afternoon kids wove onto the pins with a multicolor thread using their own free-handed pattern styles. This beautiful thread symbolizes our cultural diversity here at this school and how the colors blend into one another to portray that we are living in this world together. The big circles on this board represent the people in our world. The small bows represent holding hands. Each colorful circle is as unique as each child here at this school. This tiny world translates into different depths and mediums, and it's all encased in this black shadow box. The part that keeps me coming back every year to work with these children is the bond that we create. They amaze me with how much they're capable of and their determination of just wanting their way. It's really heartwarming, and that's what makes this loving artwork created from just stained glass and string art by Miss Claire's afternoon class showing unity in Casa's world.